Hey folks, I am here to show you my cracker rigging technique for a kitchen sink. If you don't have the materials to go get a kitchen sink, well, maybe you have the materials to do what I did. Here, I fixed together, I needed a mixer valve, so I used let me zoom in here so I can show you. Right? Yeah, you see that? Now here, you see I got my hot water coming in here, and I got my cold water coming in here, and I got my mixer valve right here. I have an elbow, and I guess that's a street 90. So I have a street 90 to attach to my mixer valve that goes to my nipple that I turn on my water and it comes out like that. So there you go. That is wow. That's how you do a cracker rigging kitchen sink. Y'all have a great day. Be safe. This is Desert Artist. I'm out of here. Thank you for checking out my, well, I guess checking out my channel. I got a whole bunch up here. I thank you for subscribing and saying hi, because I'll say hi back usually, unless there's 100,000 comments, which I'll get to you eventually. Trust me. Y'all have a great day. Be safe. Bye-bye.